What's up, YouTube? Coming at you with a video here. I just wanted to give a real quick review on this rare vintage Jessie doll from Toy Story, the original Toy Story. It's brand new in the box. She's even got the little rope there with her. And I think she has a couple other ones too, like the Jessie Square Dance, Jessie Lots of Looks, and this one is Cowgirl Jessie. Brand new in the box. I just wanted to show you guys really quick. If you would like to purchase her, there'll be a link in the description. So yeah, smash that like button, subscribe, and click the link in the description and come check her out in my eBay store. Maybe you like to purchase her. Alright, I'm out. Thank you for looking.